Hello and welcome back to my Dandelion Diaries. We are continuing on with our Diamine Inkvent calendar today, and we are now on to day 18. For today's ink, we have an ink called Blizzard, and it's another shimmer ink. That's like 3 in a row now. If we look at the back, the shimmer is kind of a bluish silver color. This one's probably going to be really pretty. Blizzard turned out really pretty. I like that on both Mondays we had this nice kind of blue color. Anyways, the Blizzard is much more dusty than 𝗦𝘃𝗁𝗁. It is almost like a grayish blue base tone. It looks like it has some shading, but the shimmer is kind of overlaying it. And the shimmer is very matte. It's not like glittery, it's more shiny. I don't know. I guess compare it, because it's right next to 𝗦𝘃𝗁𝗁. I have to like compare it kind of, because 𝗦𝘃𝗁𝗁 is like glittery shimmer and Blizzard's more of like chromey shimmer. Regardless, it's a lovely blue color. Here we have the writing sample. I don't know. I like this one. It's muted. It's dusty. I feel like this would be a really good everyday writer. It's just glittery. You could always uptake it without the shimmer too, and I think it would just be just as beautiful. I do also want to note that I feel like the last week we had a lot of muted colors, and the week before that we had a lot of really bright colors. So I'm interested to see what happens for this week. Alrighty, that is it for day 18. I hope you have a really good Monday. I hope your week is starting off great. We have Christmas Eve coming up, and then Christmas is next Monday. Next Monday. What? I know. Anyways, again, thank you so much for watching. If you've been following along with all of these swatches, I'm so excited to get to the finish line. We're almost there. We're almost there. But like I said, I hope you have a good rest of your Monday, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.